Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a beautiful day. Today I am back with a styling video and I also have an amazing giveaway. I am beyond excited to be collaborating with the beautiful Deanndra Nunnery. She also has a YouTube channel and she does videos on fashion, decor, try on haul videos, she does tutorials, and she has the most amazing Amazon hauls. You guys need to check out her channel. I recently watched one of her Amazon dupes and I'm like in love with it. So make sure to check out her channel, subscribe to her, also check out her Instagram. So we decided to do this collaboration and we're also giving away a $100 gift card to Amazon. Who doesn't love Amazon? Everybody does, especially right now. So in this collaboration, we are going to be styling a purse. She's going to be styling a red purse and I will be doing a pink one. Of course I had to do pink. You guys know pink is my favorite color and I think you can style it in so many different ways. A lot of people tend to stay away from pink because they probably think you can't really style it with too much. But I'm going to show you a way of styling this with different outfits. So excited to share this with you guys. So the rules for the giveaway are very simple. I'm going to leave everything listed down below. But basically, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and Deanndra's channel. Also, like the videos, share with a friend if you can, and also comment down there below what is your favorite outfit. You can also enter for an additional entry by following us on Instagram. So I will leave you her handle link down there below as well as mine. But I am very excited for you guys. You will be able to win a $100 gift card to Amazon. So yeah, let me go ahead and show you my outfits and how I styled my pink purse. So I did want to mention that this beautiful mint color dress was gifted to me from Shabby, Chic, and Oaktolly, and I am so in love with this dress. It is beautiful. I love the color and the texture. You guys can find this dress at shabbychic.com. They also have many other beautiful outfits, so make sure to check it out. So that was it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below which outfit was your favorite, and also make sure to check out Deanndra's video to see how she styled her red purse. I also wanted to mention that I will be leaving a couple links down below on some Amazon dupes to the purses that I showed you. So they are dupes and they're very similar, so you guys can find those also on Amazon. And I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I'll see you all next time. Bye.